Hi there! Financial literacy for a quicker financial independence is a European project for youth. Our main project result in front of you is the FinLit e-course. It targets young people and covers 5 essential e-chapters, as money does not grow on trees and you need to cultivate it through Introduction to Financial Literacy, Personal Finance Management, Creating Savings, Loans and Debts, Investments. Yes, you need to learn and know more about finances, as proper financial literacy is crucial for a successful life and bright future in all areas. Understanding personal income, cash flow, and taxes also help you being prepared for the unexpected financial events that life can throw at us. Moreover, financial independence also teaches that you should be a responsible consumer. After identifying your personal financial goals, it is clear that you should not hide your money in the socks. Rather, think hard about your needs and the time needed for the realization. Saving up for rainy days is never in vain. However, it is also true that money should circulate. It comes and it goes. Money can be borrowed as well. Just make sure you are aware of the impacts and disadvantages. In order to make your dreams come true, you need to be fully invested. Use money as a tool and it will work for you, so that you can create value. Are you interested in learning some useful tips and tricks? Join in our FinLit e-course, because, as Benjamin Franklin once said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest.